Now it's interesting. Hanuman as a child, as we know, he jumped to grab the sun. The sun represents transcendental knowledge of the Vedas. Hanuman as a baby is teaching us, right from the time you are a child, you should run to chase the knowledge of the scriptures. And not just see it with knowledge, you should digest it with realization. The sun represents light. The sun represents heat. Heat is purity and light is wisdom. So just reading the Shastra doesn't suffice. We have to digest and realize. So Hanuman kept the sun in his mouth. Prahlad Maharaj teaches us, what is the right time to study Shastra? Kaumaram macharet prajna dharman bhagavataniha durlabham manusham deham tadyapi arthadamadhruvam. Prahlad Maharaj explains the right time to swallow the sun of Vedic knowledge is like Hanuman, from the time you're 5 years old. However, what happened? As soon as Hanuman swallowed, people became restless. People around him became restless. The demigods, the suras, the asuras, everyone started shivering. Which means every time a child starts studying the Shastra, the relatives come here and say, no, now is not the time to study. Spit the sun out. Show him TV. If the child discusses Bollywood, wonderful. They in fact tell the child, hey, Sonu Nigam song? Please show how does Shah Rukh Khan say the dialogue? And the grandparents take more pleasure than Shah Rukh Khan himself. But if the child starts speaking scriptures, start quoting verses, start singing bhajans, like the demigods became restless when Hanuman swallowed the sun, everybody around starts shivering. Because now they start seeing darkness. What if this child becomes a sannyasi? What will if he becomes a brahmachari? So there is a scene, climatic condition of darkness in their heart. So they all try to push. They try to push the father, who is Vayudev. And if the father can stand like Vayudev, that I am not going to budge. I am not going to budge. Then all the relatives will use even the final weapon of a thunderbolt. They went to Indra. Indra struck the thunderbolt and Hanuman fell unconscious. What does that mean? They will use different ways to allure the child. Don't do so much bhakti. You should discuss other things also. These are all like thunderbolts which try to take the person away. But Hanuman taught us, yes, I may have taken the sun out, but it's just cheating. By then I have already digested. I have digested the taste, I have digested the heat, I have digested the light of the Shastra. If the parents and the relatives take the child away from Shastra, then what happens? The child becomes like Hanuman, very naughty. Hanuman starts running around, pulling the beard of the sages. When they are standing in the water doing Gayatri, he would go underwater and pull their dhoti. When they are sleeping, he would tie the beard of two sadhus. So this means material naughtiness that comes when the sun of knowledge is out. However, it takes sages who recognize that this child has a lot of potential, but he is misusing it. So this is a very interesting point in the flow of the Shastra. When Hanuman grew up, he didn't even realize how much potential he had. All the bear, the monkeys, they're all sitting and discussing who is going to cross. Who is going to go to Lanka? Who is going to find Mother Sita? Everybody appoints Jambavan. Jambavan says, being an old bear, being the tired body that I have, I can jump, but I don't have the strength to find Mother Sita and come back. So it has to be somebody who can jump, fight, find and return with the good news. And that is Hanuman.